Emperor's Children. Emperor's Children. Iron Warriors. The Iron Warriors' specialty was the breaking of sieges and assaults on static fortifications, which made them great rivals of the Imperial Fist's Legion, which was said to construct the greatest static defenses in the Imperium. It was this rivalry between the legions, and between their primarchs Perturabo and the Imperial Fist's Rogel Dorn, that helped turn the Iron Warriors to chaos. The Black Legion is a traitor legion of Chaos Space Marines that is the first in infamy, if not in treachery, whose name resounds as a curse throughout the scattered and war-torn realms of humanity. The Black Legion was once one of the 9 first founding legions of Space Marines who turned traitor to the Imperium during the Horus Heresy in the early 31st millennium. Night Lords. Night Lords. Elf Legion.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.